On 31st May 2023, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K Sangma, had launched the Meghalaya Cancer Care or Meg Can Care project for screening and early detection of cancer at the U Soso Tham Auditorium in Shillong. The program is an initiative of the Government of Meghalaya in collaboration with the Appollo Telemedicine Foundation and World Economic Forum. Also present was Minister of Health, Dr. M Ampareen Lyngdoh. Earlier, the Chief Minister had also launched the Cancer Helpline number 14410 and Choose 5 for information on cancer. He also flagged off the Cancer Ambassador cyclists. Speaking during the launch, Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma said that Meghalaya, and specifically East Khasi Hills, is ranked at number 2 in the country in the incidence of cancer cases.
Release it. 1, 2, 3.
The willpower to be able to fight whatever comes in front of us. We need to accept things that yes, there is a problem. And when we accept the problem, we start working towards finding a solution to it. We have the will to move forward, the determination to move forward, and bring the change that we need to bring. And what I've told you, like as I said, in the last 5 years, we have seen systematically, it's not just about, as I said, a plan. It is also followed up with action. Doubling a budget of a department in 5 years is not a joke. You can ask any state government.